Good morning, everybody. It's dawn on Anzac Day, and I just thought I'd show my bird forum friends something fantastic. Let's have a look. Start up here. Wild galahs, wild galahs, wild galahs, wild galahs. If I'm not mistaken, yep, wild galahs. I'm trying to coax them into the backyard. I think I'm going to go and get Professor and I'm going to bring him out here and see if he can coax them down. Okay. Look at all these pairs of galahs. There's 3 pairs. There's one there. No, other way. There's a pair there canoodling. There's a pair there. Oh, excuse that. And then there's the pair there. They must be just good friends at the moment. There's a Murray magpie.